Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve a very beautiful math expression that looks so easy. But still many people fail to solve this because they solve it like 10 minus 1 9 and 10 minus 1 9 and 9 times 9 as 81. Yes, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, it is incorrect because when you have given multiple operations like subtraction, then bracket, then in bracket it's subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So first you have to solve the parenthesis is given, then exponent, then multiplication, division, both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So in this expression, first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 10 minus 1, 9. Now rewrite the left out terms. So if there is no sign between, then we have to put multiplication. So now two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So it's 10 and minus 1 times 9 is minus 9 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So what is the correct answer? 1, not 81. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.